Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to get bots and also how to increase your Bittoken and how to increase your RP token. So what you are going to do is very easy here. Come to this your wallet here. So once you click on this your wallet here, you can see this deposit. So this you don't have financial advice, understand? So but if you want to increase your RP token, you can go ahead and increase it. So you click on this deposit right here. So once you click on this deposit, it's going to show an address you want to deposit. So you can input the amount you want to deposit. Let's say I want to deposit like $200. So I'll click on next and it's going to generate. Okay, basically this is the address is a general address, so you can deposit minimum of $2, $5 and thereabout. So I can go ahead and go back. So let's say I want to deposit $1, so I'll do on $1, but based on these exchanges I will not be able to deposit down $10. Let's say I'll deposit like $10. So I'll click on this next and I'll copy the address. So now this is a very important thing you have to know here. So you say what only send BSCN or PEP20 to this address. So on this address alone, if you want to send USDT, you are sending what? You are sending USDT of PEP20. Understand? So you have TR20 and PEP20 chain. From this PEP20, your withdrawal is not, your deposit is going to reflect. It's not going to reflect. You understand? So let's go back to. So to deposit, you have to copy it, and you go to any of your exchanges you want to use. So this is my wallet now. So basically I'm not depositing, but just to show you on how to deposit. So next thing to do is to click on this withdraw. So you don't have any USD, you can also buy from the P2P, or you can buy from me directly, which I said you can contact me on WhatsApp. I'm going to reply you. So I'll click on this one here. So I'll click on this on chain. I'll paste the address which I want to deposit from. So next thing to select the chain. So you can see there are different chain, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Sol, PEP20. For PEP20 USD on Bybit, they will charge $1. But the best one which I use mostly is on Bittoken, which doesn't charge any fee. Understand? So minimum to deposit to remove here is 10. But basically I'm doing this video right now. I only have $1 right here, so I'll not be able to withdraw. Understand? I'll not be able to withdraw. So if you have certain, like you have like $11 in your account in your Bybit, you can withdraw. But I will suggest you just to save $1. You can use Bittoken. Understand? So that is it. So let me go back to my Bittoken. Once you have already deposited, next thing to do is to come in and click on this next. So once you click on this next, you paste the hash address and you click on this upgrade screenshot. So let me show you. So let me click on this. So this is this USDC which I deposited on Bittoken last month. This is it here. So just copy the hash address here. This is the hash address here. So this is the hash address here. So this is the hash address. Once you copy it, it's going to show the amount you deposited. Understand? So you know this one is $400 now. So I'll just go back to here now. Now go back because I'll put the, when I go back I'll click on this deposit again and input the amount which I want to deposit, $100. So I'll click on this next and I'll click on next here and I'll paste the address here. Once I paste it, and I'll upload the screenshot. Once you have taken the screenshot, you screenshot it. Understand? You screenshot it. Understand? So once you take the screenshot, you can upload the screenshot. Basically right now I'm not uploading the screenshot because I've already deposited, which I have already buy a bot. So once you have deposited, so for you who don't know, maybe I've bought a bot or not, so I've already bought, I already bought bot already, which you can see right here. So this is the bot which I bought. This is the deposit which I made before, which is $100. So you can also increase it. You can see this is the hash address, this is the confirm address, and for it to withdraw to be successfully, you have to wait for like 6 hours or 12 hours. But on weekends, before they confirm your deposit, it usually take like 25 hours. You understand? On weekends, I hope you get that. So this is my deposit which I made before. You understand? Which I made before. So that is it. So you don't need to stop yourself or anything. I wish you get that. So you can also come to this. Once you have deposited already and your deposit are reflected, come to this profile here. So once you click on this your profile here, to buy a bot, you come to this mine here. So once you click on this mine here, come to this booster. Once you click on this booster, click on this buy miner. You click on this buy miner. So when you click on this miner, you can buy any miner you want. So this is the miner of $1, $5, $10, and each particular one has the time frame is going to be ending, and each of these bots only ends for 30 days. You understand? So if you are an investor, you can also invest in this project, but it's not a financial advice. You understand? You can also do your own due diligence. I have already bought the $10 miner before, which has expired. Yes, which has expired. You understand? So you can also buy a lot of miner for yourself. But remember, this project is going to be a big project. They'll be listing very soon, so you don't have to miss this opportunity. So you can also buy bot for yourself. So you can also, if you want to buy bot, you can buy $1 or $5 one. But you can also use any amount of dollar you want to use to buy this bot right now. You understand? Because this project is going to be a massive project. So let's say I'm buying this $1 bot now. So I'll just click on this proceed. So when I click on this proceed, you see the miner purchase successfully spent $1 and $8 remaining to activate your bot. So I'll just click on this OK. So once I buy the bot, I'll go back here. I'll go back right now. So I'm back now. So I can, once I buy the bot, I can start the bot. Once you click on this place here to start the bot, click to activate the bot. You understand? You have to activate the bot. But let's say you want to transfer the bot to another, you want to transfer it to someone, just click on this transfer bot. So once you click on transfer bot, you put the person miner UID. To get your miner UID, very simple. You go to back to your profile here, you copy your miner UID. So let's say I said to you to copy your miner UID, copy it here, you send to me, and I'm going to send you any bot which you want to buy or you want to bid for. You understand? So let me go back to this booster here. So I already showed you how to transfer bot to someone. Understand? You can choose any amount of the person I have said you want to buy. You can also buy for the person. So to activate my bot is very simple. I'll go back to my mine here. So I click on this mine here. I'll click on this booster. So I click on this booster here, and I'll click on this activate bot. Once I click on this activate bot, you can see confirm bot activation. So I won't activate it. It's either you activate it or you transfer to someone if you want to transfer to someone. But if you mistakenly transfer to someone, if you mistakenly click on this activate and you want to transfer to someone, you have to purchase another one, you understand? So you have to be careful right here, you understand? So you can see this side where you see activate bot, you can see right here. So I'll just click on this activate. So I'll just proceed, and every 6 hours I can come back here to start claiming for myself, you understand? So you can see activate bot, and it's going to be expire on what? To expire next month, which is 27, which is by May 27. It's going to expire, understand? Not expire. So I had to activate it again. So if you want to deactivate it, you can also deactivate it, but I will not tell you to deactivate it because we are already buy the miner, understand? So I'll just go back to my mine here. I don't need to do anything. This miner is going to do everything for me, understand? So I'm not going to do everything, but I can watch my hits and complete my tasks, understand? But this miner is going to purchase, it's going to do everything for me right here, understand? So you can go to your wallet back. If you also can come to your wallet and you click on these commissions. Once you click on this commission, you will see your commissions from people who bought, but you understand, you also have to claim all, understand? So you know the level commission reward as 1 point, so you can claim only one, understand? So you just have to leave it and go back to your wallet, and it's going to add to your wallet successfully. All we get that, guys. So that is how to purchase a miner. So you can also share this video to your friends or your community so that they also know how to buy miner and also how to buy bots. So this is another thing I forget to put in this video. So if you are buying one bot, $1 bot, you'll be getting 1 ORP, and you'll be getting monthly, you'll be getting $25. $1 is going to give you $25 of your bot, you understand? $5 is going to give you 129 monthly. And remember, this bot only works only 1 month, you understand? The $100 bot which I bought, it generated over 2,500 monthly. It generated $2,000 for me, you understand? So if you want to do more, you can also buy, you can buy lots of bots. You can purchase the bot of $100, $50, $20, depending on your own interest, you understand? Because Bittoken to be very hot, you understand? So this is why I'm sharing this opportunity for you guys, so that you can also see, and it's at your own tip, you understand? So you can go back to your Bittoken now and purchase any of your token you want to purchase, you understand? So you don't miss this opportunity. So if you are seeing this for the first time, make sure you check the link in the description below and also register an account for yourself. Let's do some rough math now. So I was able to gather up $3,000 of this token. So let's do the calculation. So naira. So you can see what I'm trying to tell you. So I'll go to my calculator now. At the 0.5 they are listing. So this is the calculation I did already, which is 3,500. So let's say that. So times the current amount of, let's say, 1.5. So I'll be making a lot of money for myself, you understand? You can see I can be making lots. Let's say you are able to gather up, let's say 500 of this coin, $500 of it. So you'll be making around, like, let's say, 750. So and deposit, you understand? So later on I'll also purchase another miner, so, and I'll also do video so that you can also see, you understand? So you don't miss this project for anything, you understand? So, and the current price you are even selling now is still very much easy to get, you understand? And lots of influencers and promoters that won't know about this project. So you that know about this project now, you are very, very lucky. And totally only 500, it's not even up to 500 members 100k and mine this project, you understand. So this project is to be massive, understand, to be massive. You can see total community that is mining this project is what 200 and 200 and 200k members, you understand. So this project to be very massive, you understand. So don't miss this project for anything. And token that have been mined already is what 5 million 5 billion RP. So this token is very hard to even mine, you understand. So don't joke with this opportunity, it has your fingertips. So don't joke with this opportunity, everyone. Welcome to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and also like the video and also comment, and also share this video to your friends and your loved ones. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. On Bittoken, if you haven't registered, you see the link in the description below on how to register, and the video I did on how to increase your rank also on the description below. And also join my Telegram channel, which is in the description below, so that you don't miss any opportunity from this channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.